Hi everyone. Well, for those of you taking part in Walk the Wight this coming Sunday, things aren't looking too bad really. This is the cloud map for Saturday evening. You can see there's a lot of cloud around still, but as we move through the night, the cloud starts to push away to the east and northeast, so that by Sunday morning, we've got these clearer spells developing right across the island. In fact, near the coast is where the clearest spells are going to be. Could still be the risk of the odd light shower developing, but I mean the risk is very, very low. We're not expecting anything to be any problems, and the winds overall are going to be coming in from the west southwest. So let's get a bit more detail on that. You can see here this is the wind strength and wind direction for midnight on Sunday. And this is 1 a.m. and 2 a.m. So you can see as we move through, the winds switch around to the northwest and then go back round to the west southwest through the day. Now this is at 10 a.m. and you can see these wind strengths here, not too strong. We're looking at around anything up to around 15 miles per hour average. We could be we could be gusting up to anything up to around 22, 24 miles per hour. But these aren't very strong gusts. As we move through the rest of the day, not much changes really. The winds stay in the southwest or west southwest, and the winds, anything between 12 and 16 miles per hour average strength, with gusts possibly up to around 25 miles per hour at times, which really isn't a big deal. So let's take a quick look at the temperature through the day. This is the start of the day. We've got some really chilly temperatures across the island, possibly even down to 2 or 3 degrees Celsius in a few places. So risk of even a slight ground frost. But these temperatures should rise quite quickly. In fact, as we head through the day, it's not going to be warm by any means, but we could see temperatures close to around anything between 11 and 13 degrees Celsius really. So it's not going to be that warm, and this is mostly because the winds are coming in off the cold English Channel, and the English Channel at the moment is still really quite chilly, and so this wind will be blowing right across the island, and it will be keeping the temperatures down across the island. And with the route obviously going right through the middle, the start of the route will have a little less wind. The end part of the route will have a lot more wind because it will be a lot more exposed, but the temperatures shouldn't change that much throughout, with possibly the warmest area being in central parts here as people cross this area. But apart from that, nothing too significant to report on it. So so it looks like a pretty good day for a walk right across the island. Anyway, we'll give you more updates on this if anything changes, but apart from that, that's all for now. Goodbye.